Welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen how easy it is to publish jobs on our company job board using Highest 360. This is a great way to publish and broadcast jobs, but still a passive approach. Taking a more direct approach, our company has tied up with a reputed staffing agency to source candidates. Highest 360 provides a great feature to integrate and collaborate with staffing agencies all under one roof. Here, we have an agency set up in Highest 360 for Bingo systems. Let's go back to our requisition and assign this job to the agency. Let's search for the staffing agency that we just created. We now have this job requisition assigned to the agency. This is really good. I'm finally free of the hassle of copying and emailing job details. I'm no longer tied down to my email inbox, which was an extra overhead. I can now concentrate on doing things that really matter. Let us now look at things from the staffing agency's perspective.
Hello, I am Rita from Victory Staffing. Bingo Systems have signed me up to help them recruit. They are using Hires 360, a talent acquisition system, and have provided me with a login. Let's go ahead and access the system to see what Hires 360 has to offer. On the dashboard, I can see the job requisition that I need to cater to. I can look up the specific requirements and details of this job, based on which I can now start sourcing applicants. Okay, let's also look at how I can source and provide applicants to Raj at Bingo. Cool! I can see a complete applicant workflow through its various states. Okay, I have just the right candidate for this job. So I will go ahead and send in her details. That's it. I have sourced an applicant to show up in submitted state. This is really cool. I don't have to keep sending candidates through emails and track their details in email folders. All of this information is available at my fingertips. I can also keep a tab on my redemptions, but that's a discussion for another day. I guess I should be talking to my other clients recommending Hires 360.